Good evening to my option scalping community. I think in the last few days, the market has been moving up and down, and especially the close has not been good for the past few days, considering the way the global markets have reacted. But today, both the Bank Nifty and the Nifty has closed on the high point of the day, and the way the markets are looking like, they are still at like in a critical juncture, whether to move forward or not. And considering the way the global markets have bounced, especially the Nikkei and then the Dow in the last couple of days, our market's still underperforming them. So we have been overperforming the other markets in the past, and in the last couple of days we have been underperforming, and the daily expiries has also been the reason. Tomorrow might be the D-Day because both Bank Nifty and the Nifty is at the critical juncture in terms of the resistance level. And if we are able to get in gap up opening tomorrow, and if there is a follow-up, yes, we will be seeing further action which is going to be taking place on our markets as well. But this is all in hindsight. When you look at it, the way the VIX climbed and then the VIX falling, that is something bigger picture which is cooking underneath. So any news in the next 1 week or so, if you get to hear any overnight news, the market tends to behave in an irrational manner. And on top of it, this particular fall, what we have been seeing in Nifty, it's purely global parameters. Nothing has been due to the internal ones. So on that front, we needed to be more cautious about the global news than the domestic cues. But yes, any domestic cues, positive or negative, can also have an impact. But more so when we are going to be getting more and more global news, anything on the Fed policy announcement, anything on the Nikkei and carry trade, or anything on the Middle East war situation, anything can trigger a major move on this market. So watch out. And those of you who have been looking for when we are going to be starting the mentoring program, yes, we are starting in the month of September, and it is going to be during the live market. And September is going to be the most volatile period. And if you have not enrolled for the program, make use of this because our offers are going to be running out soon. And looking forward to seeing you all in the September month program because this is going to be the last program for this year. It's going to be a 12-day program. And I hope all of you gets benefited using our scalping strategies. We'll be discussing various strategies which I would do it in the scalping. Apart from that, both intraday and positional strategies will also be discussed. One more thing, many who wanted to know how the scalping that can be similar to what we have been doing it in the casino, we'll be sharing a Sigbo scalping strategy as well during this program. So see you all in another wonderful mentoring program in the month of September. Thank you.